washed my hair at my mom's and I used her Paul Mitchell stuff, which I do like, but I feel like my hair is just really weird. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you my June favorites. It's the end of the month. We do this every month. I just have to throw out there that I just came home from work. I look like a mess. I just took my hair out, and yes, it needs to be toned because you can see all that brassiness in there and a whole bunch of other things. Basically, I'm a hot fucking mess. Since I wasn't able to film this last weekend, since David and I went on our little anniversary trip to Mesquamicut, Rhode Island, I'm filming today, and I think I'll be filming on Wednesday as well, so get ready for that. So with that being said, if you want to see some of my favorite products this month and some favorite things, then just keep watching and let's just get... I was gonna do it. I can't do it. I can't. With that being said, let's just jump right in. The first favorite of the month, hold on, I gotta go get her. So this obviously is my first favorite, which I did film a video introducing you guys but accidentally deleted it. This is Shiva. She is David and I's new little baby and we love her. She's the sweetest little thing. She's been putting us through the ringer though this month. Basically, a quick backstory, my mom's friend wasn't able to keep her because their landlord does not allow them to have pets, so we ended up getting her. She is less than a year old. She is not fixed, but we are in the process of getting her checked out this week and everything finally, because waiting on her vet appointment because Lord help me. And I have experienced my first heat with her and it has not been the best thing ever. So if you guys have any suggestions how to deal with that, because we are definitely trying. The day that I'm filming this video is a Monday, so I'm hoping by either the end of this week or the beginning of next week we will have finally get a spay appointment for her. We were not able to make one because we have to get, sorry I keep hitting you in the face, don't I? We were not able to make one right away because she needs to get examined and vaccinated and everything tested before we can do the spay. So my vet earliest appointment I could have been fit in was the 29th, but I actually called and was like, can you please move this up, because last week before we left she was a wreck. And if any of you guys have experienced an animal that has been in heat, like a female, a male, cat in general, then you would feel my pain. But she is the sweetest little baby. As you guys can see, she loves being held, she loves being pet. She's also a little goober. Are you my goober? Yes, you are. Look, her eyes are closed. She's just so happy inside. I love you so much. She is the best little thing to come into our lives, and I'm very happy to have her, and I'm excited. She's like, Mom, please put me down. Please put me down. Please stop torturing me. But I cannot imagine my life without her now. She's literally my little child, and I can't. She's my baby. So this is Shiva, live in person. She is my baby. She's my our new fur baby. She's just a happy little baby, and I had my mom stay with her this weekend as well, if anyone was wondering, while we were away, because I was worried about her heat and I really didn't want her howling, because that's what female cats do. They howl to get that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so I'm gonna put her down, let her go on her way. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. That brings my first favorite. I will put a picture of it here because I decided not to go grab, I don't know, I just lazy and nah. My mom got this pheromone plug-in. So if you have a cat that's in heat, for example, like Shiva, she's not in heat now, but she was last week, which was torture to us. My mom actually went to Petco and ended up getting these pheromone plugins, kind of like a Glade plug-in or like an air wick that you plug into the wall, but it's pheromones and it helps basically to calm the animal. So that was a big help, and it really helped her calm down like near the end of her heat, because it was getting really bad to the point we couldn't sleep at night. We actually spent a night at my mom's, which was not a good idea, but now we know, now we've learned, and we are definitely getting her fixed before the next heat because Mama needs some sleep. And so does Daddy. Daddy was really pissed off, so there's that too. But honestly, these were the best things ever. So if you have a cat that either bites or has like aggressive issues or anything like that, I highly recommend you check these out. They think they're called Cat Calm or something like that. Best things ever. Shout out to my mom for buying them. She also bought these cat treats, which are also to help calm a cat as well if they're going through some stuff. I know that one of our cats, Lucy, and my mom, she hates the vet. She pants, she sweats, she hates it like it's the worst thing ever for her, and we give her these treats. They're really good, and I think they did help her a lot. I don't know where she went. I went to go climb on top of the cabinet again, so there's that. Those things have really been helping, and I highly recommend. And another random favorite I wanted to throw up right here is Maggie's Bee Killer, which is organic. It's safe for pets, it's safe for animals. The reason I'm bringing it up is because last week or so, David noticed that there were some honeycombs forming this window right here and also above our sliding window on our deck, and I was like, yeah, we're not about to deal with that shit. No. We ended up picking it up because obviously it's safe for pets, and I don't want her being near anything that's gonna hurt her, obviously. Ironically, I was sitting here in my beauty room on my computer, you know how I do, and all of a sudden I just see a bee crawl on top of one of my makeup brushes. So that stuff came in handy. It has like an 18-foot range that you could spray, so it goes out really, really far. So if you want to just kill one on contact, best shit ever. And it smells like cloves and peppermint oil, which is really great too. So it's not really chemically, but that smell after is gonna linger. So as a warning, if you don't like that. Okay, so that's enough for my random favorites. Now into some makeup products. I have a few foundations, which are of course oldie but goodies, but they're the only ones I've been using all month. And the month before that, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation is always a love for me. I love it. Mine is in 202 Creamy Natural, right? Oh, I'm good. I'm good. This is still one of my favorite foundations ever. I feel like my makeup looks amazing whenever I wear it. Goes on so smoothly. Can easily build the coverage of it, and I don't look crazily greasy. And as for someone that has oily skin, oily combo, sensitive, weird, yeah, it's really great, and I do really love it a lot for summertime. You have my Maybelline Matte and Poreless with my weird pump on it. Still love this foundation. I've used quite a bit of it because this has been the foundation I've worn to work almost every single day this month because it's been getting hot. Your girl's getting greasy. Clearly your girl looks a little greasy right now too because I have been wearing a different foundation, but I'm starting to think that the setting powder that I've been using every day the last couple months hasn't been working, and the foundation, it's not the foundation, it's the powder. I don't know, maybe that's just me. If I ever uploaded that haul, which I did not on my IGTV, so I'm sorry about that, you guys. This is the MAC Hyper Real Glow palette. I don't know what the proper color is, but this is the gold one. There's like a champagne-y one, and then there's this one, which I wanted the other one, but this is what TJ Maxx had, so this is what I bought. These are what the colors look like. I love mixing these two right here. It just gives me this perfect glow, and I've been using it almost every single day to work this month. It's just really, really pretty. So if you could find this in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, it's about 20 bucks marked down. It's normally like 30, 35 bucks, so that's a really good deal for it. And you guys know about me and my highlighters, like I'm obsessed. I have a problem. It's fine. Last makeup favorite of the month, which is crazy. I know. I don't use a lot of products mostly during the month. Most of you guys know that unless it's a brand new product and I'm like really crazy about it or I've rediscovered it. We have my Jeffree Star of the Gloss lip glosses. Now, if you guys have not seen my review already, I do genuinely really like these glosses. I wouldn't say that they're like #1 on my list. I wouldn't say that they're like really crappy. I would say they're kind of meh for me personally because I prefer a gloss that has a lot of give to it, so to speak. I like a lot, like a thick gloss. I don't really like these as much. I mean, you can obviously build them up and make them thicker, but I just prefer personally like a more thick gloss like the Fenty Beauty, Kylie. Like I really love those glosses a lot. I do really love the packaging of his glosses. So the colors that I have here are I'm the Boss, Diamond Juice, Candy Drip, and Wet Peach. I think the only one I still haven't really worn that much is Wet Peach, which is really pretty, but I always go towards more corally lip glosses in the summer. I recommend you buy like one if you wanted to try them, but you know, I'm crazy, so hi. Last few products I have are a couple skincare, which I feel like you guys have heard about this one before. It's upside down because I'm trying to get the rest of it out. Low Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleep. Okay, cool. That's fine. Okay. Low Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, which you guys know I love Low Recipe's watermelon stuff. I think it's great. It's made with real watermelon, which I did not know that. I mean, obviously I did. No, really, Sam. It's watermelon. Like, what the fuck do you think they're gonna make it out of? Crap? There was a video on their Instagram showing how they actually make the moisturizer and like they use real, like from actual watermelons, not like watermelon essence or something. And I was like, gosh, I'm putting real watermelon on my face. This is a dream come true. And it smells good, and I love using this as a moisturizer. It just makes my skin feel nice and soft, bright, and just pretty. And I don't wash it off in the morning because I only use a tiny bit, but that's just me. Use at your own discretion, whatever you prefer. The L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub that I've been using because I finished my Kate Somerville one. It smells really good, and that's what the inside of it looks like. It's just so, oh, it smells really, really good. I wish they'd come out with a watermelon one. I definitely would buy it. It's just really nice and easy for me to use, but it's just really nice to scrub off all like that dead skin and extra makeup at the end of the week. I love using a face scrub on my face probably like every Friday-ish, so the weekend I feel like pretty, and then Sunday I just easily like use another mask and just detox, and then we go through the same thing all over again because that's my life. I really do love this a lot. I think it was only $5-6 bucks at the drugstore if you're looking for a good face scrub. This is really, really nice, and it's not really harsh on your skin either. In regards to hair, this is the Paul Mitchell serum you guys saw in my haul that I got from Price Chopper that I really love a lot. I've used quite a bit of it, as you guys can see. It is just, it's really great. If you can get this for a good deal, I highly recommend. I know Ulta has a lot of deals on like hair products all the time and stuff like that, but it's the Smooth Super Skinny Serum, which really smooths my hair out before I go to work. I did put it in my hair today, so it's definitely not as frizzy and crazy as it normally is, but I feel like this definitely helps, and I definitely cannot live without this product. honestly feel like it's better than It's a 10. Did I say it? I said it. Finally, the last favorite I wanted to throw out there this month is the Kiss Brush On Gel Nail Kit. This is a brand new one, but I do have an older one, and the reason being is because this month I decided to be cheap and give myself a temporary fill in between going to get my nails done because I was lazy and I didn't feel like paying a lot of money. So this was actually really, really good. I highly recommend you guys watch Long Hair Pretty Nails on YouTube because she did a good like tutorial slash review of this, and that's what I followed, and that's how I like prepped and did my nails and filed and everything. So they do look kind of, you know, awful. I'm not gonna lie, like they're not the best thing in the world, but they're getting me through until probably Wednesday. I'm gonna go get my nails done this week. So by the time you guys see videos for the next week, I'll have new nails. I promise. Like, not this. This is all done. All done. All done. But with that being said, that was literally all of my favorites this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you out in some way. If you guys want me to continue to do favorite videos, please like the video and let me know as well, because I feel like these videos are like underrated, but nobody cares. But I don't know. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yeah, I did it. I know I did it. I know I did it.